you ever wonder how to create an eye-catching seamless pattern like this, I'm going to share some Canva secrets. They are going to blow your mind. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. So let's create a seamless pattern in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Google browser. Click here Canva. Click it. Click here Canva. You can choose any size you want depending on where you are going to use your pattern. So click here to custom size and create a new pattern. So better if you want a high resolution printable pattern. So click here to new design. For example, if you are creating a pattern for social media, you can use sparse design. If you want a wallpaper, you can choose a large landscape size. So it's your choice. So you can search a flower, stars, leaves, hearts, designs and shapes or any other graphics. You can choose here. So I'm going to choose any simple element because I want to keep the pattern clean and professional. So click here. Seamless patterns. So element give a more patterns and support color editing. I can also change the colors, everything. So choose here. This is where you can start or create your own design. If for example, if your brand color or blue or white, you can choose your color or your patterns. A seamless pattern is a simply series of images that repeat itself over and over. Now Canvas give you quite a lot of seamless patterns already within the Canvas library. So if you go to the element tab and search for seamless pattern, you will see all of these options available for you. To use, just a click and add the design. So let's choose any design. Alright, I choose here. And then you want to place it into a position. So I'm going to right side here, corner. Arrange the size. And then I'm going to duplicate it and just move over to the side. Click here to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate again. Take down. Alright. I have arranged it. It's very useful. If you want to do like social media background, even print a demand, you can create a notebook, journals, you can even do clothing, coffee mug, blankets, all. So click here to arrange all. Click here to group. Click it. Seamless patterns are really great way to use. So exactly what you are looking for. Create your own. First things, your pattern design. Decide your design and food shapes, colors, flowers, maybe something with your logo. Pick up your topic first. So more interest when you do it. So let's make another. Click here to add page. Click it. So I make here 3D design also. Fine. So let's make another design. I have like 2 designs here. So here I have 3D designs. Let's jump to next page. Click it. Alright. I'm going to use any design. The design. Get it. And you can add the logo also. So I make 3 patterns here. And my logo also. I have make my logo patterns also. So now I'm going to make a video patterns. Let's make a video patterns background. Let's see how to make a background video. Let's see animals videos. So I have created these 5 pages. So you can make a transparent, can make video behind it, another patterns behind any. Click here to share and click here to download it. Click it. So click here to preview. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.